Solving quadratic equation by extracting the square root. Tara't pag-usapan natin yan dito. Manood, makinig, mag-enjoy at matuto. Hi everyone! Welcome sa lesson natin for today. So ngayon pag-uusapan natin ng another way kung paano nga bumakuha ang roots of quadratic equations. So yung una na-discuss na natin yung mga factoring methods. Paano kapag ganun ang method na gagawin natin. Ngayon naman, pag-uusapan natin ng about sa extracting the square root. Ayan, let's get started. Let's have example number 1. By looking at this given, x squared minus 36 is equal to 0, parang familiar siya sa mata natin. Yes, kung iniisip mo na, sir, parang pwede po siya ng difference of two squares, yung factoring natin last time. Yes, pwede siya ng difference of two squares. Now, dito sa extracting square roots, ipapakita sa atin kung paano pa ang other way para makuha ang values of x sub 1 tapos x sub 2. And stay tuned in, let as discussed now, the process. So, ang gagawin lang doon, since ito ang given, yung negative 36 ililipat natin. Ganun lang. So, yung negative 36 first step, ililipat natin sa kabila. So, mangyayari, x squared is equal to 0 plus 36. Okay, sa mga next videos natin, hindi ko na ilalagay yung 0. Bakit? Kasi hindi na naman siya makaka-apekto doon sa value na inilipat natin. So, diretso na. Mawawala na yung 0 dito. So, for now, ganun muna. Pero kapag sanay na kayo, pwedeng wala ng 0 doon kapag inilipat natin. Yan. So, x squared is equal to 36. Of course, pinag-plus yung 0 sa 36, we'll have 36 here. Now, kaya nga extracting square roots, kukunin natin yung mga square root nitong given. Yan ang magiging step natin na susunod. So, square root, lalagyan mo lang ng radical symbol dito, tas radical symbol sa kabila. Again, take note, kung anong ginawa sa left, gagawin mo rin sa right. So, that's why kapag nag-square root tayo ng left, mag-square root ka rin ng right. Ayan. Now, how do we get the square root of x squared? Yung exponent, dinidivide lang sa 2. So, this is 2 divided by 2, magiging x raised to 1 na lang, or just x. Now, itong square root of 36, di ba? Mag-iisip ka ng number na dapat kapag minultiply sa sarili, ang sagot ay 6. And that is, ang alam natin, 6. But here's the twist. Eto, paano naging positive and negative? Yes, this is correct. Positive and negative, 6. Bakit? Ang positive 6 times positive 6, that will give us the result of 36. Right? Pero, come to think of the negative integers as well. So, negative 6 multiplied by negative 6, that will also give us positive 36. So, dapat lang naman talaga na ang square root of 36 is positive and negative 6. So, kaya ito ang ating value for x. Now, paano kukunin dyan sa x sub 1 tapos x sub 2? Napakasimple lang. Since dalawang sign ito, ang x sub 1 natin ay positive. Ganun lang. Tapos, kung nakuha mo na yung positive 6, yung kabila naman, negative. X sub 2 natin is negative 6. As simple as that. And that is, or these two are the roots of our quadratic equation. At ano yung pinapahanap sa atin? Ayan. So, instead of doing difference of two squares, say for example, nakalimutan mo yung process ng pag-factor ng difference of two squares, baka pwede mo magamit itong extracting the square roots. Makakatulong to sa atin. Ayan. Okay, let's have example number 2. 2x squared minus 18 is equal to 0. Now, sa unang tingin dito, parang hindi siya pwede ng extracting the square root. Kasi nga, yung 2 sa kayong 18 hindi naman perfect square. Now, ganito ang magiging diskarte natin dyan. Kailangan mong maisip or ma-imagine na, wait, kaya ko bang mapalabas? Kaya ko bang mapalabas ang perfect squares na mga number gamit ang given equation sa atin. And this one, pwede yon. So, papakita ko later kung paano yon mangyayari. Or paano mangyayari sa solution process natin later. Ganito. So, same step. Ilipat mo yung constant, which is negative 18. Kapag nilipat sa kabila, magiging positive. So, may 0 pa. Next time, mawawala na yan. So, 2x squared is equal to 0 plus 18. So, solve muna. 0 plus 18 is 18. So, 2x squared is equal to 18. Now, ayaw nating may katabi yung variable x, yung x squared na to. Anong gagawin ulit? Yes, i-divide mo sa kung anong number na katabi niya. So, divide both sides. Kung anong ginawa sa left, gagawin sa right. Take note of that. Don't ever forget about that idea or concept. Then, divide by 2 both sides of the equation. Kung anong ginawa sa left, gagawin sa right. Ayan. So, ito ay magiging 2 divided by 2, 1. Magiging 1x squared na lang. Tapos, 18 divided by 2 is 9. So, that's x squared is equal to 9. O, diba? Lumabas ngayon yung mga perfect square mula dun sa equation natin kanina. Ayan. Tapos, after that, since eto na, perfect square na yung dalawa, kunin natin yung square root. Square root na x squared, tapos square root ni 9. Agad ang ginawa lang doon, nilagyan ng radical symbol ang square root of x squared, tapos yung square root of 9. Ayan. Tapos, solve natin. Ano ba ang square root of x squared? X na lang, kasi divide by 2 lang tong exponent. Tapos, square root of 9, 3. Pero, 3 lang ba? Positive 3 lang ba? Hindi. That could also be negative 3. So, therefore, ang sagot natin dyan ay x is equal to positive and negative 3. And, syempre, ang last step natin, ang x of 1, dyan is yung positive 3. Ang x of 2 natin ay negative 3. Saan ang galing? Dito. Diba? Dalawang sign ito. Kaya dalawang magkahiwalay ang sagot natin. X of 1 is 3. X of 2 is negative 3. And that is now the roots of our quadratic equation. Ayan. So, let's have another example. Sorry. Ito pala. So, another way kung paano ito isosolve. Papakita ko sa inyo. 2x squared minus 18 is equal to 0. Pwedeng ganito ang gawin mo. Una pa lang. Ang gagawin natin dyan, i-divide natin lahat agad sa 2. Bakit? Kasi yung mga given dito, ayan, yung mga given ay divisible sa 2. Or pwedeng i-divide sa 2. Diba? Yung 2 tapos yung 18, divisible sa 2. So, pwede mo yang gawin. Ayan ang kagandahan ng quadratic equation. Pwede mo siyang i-reduce or pwede mo siyang mas palakihin yung value. So, i-reduce natin to. So, divide by 2 lahat. Lahat, again, kung anong ginawa sa left, gagawin mo sa right. Dito, term by term tayo. So, magiging itong x squared minus, bakit x squared na lang? Kasi dinivide ito. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So, 1x squared. Negative 18 divided by 2 is negative 9. And 0, kapag dinivide sa kahit na anong number, 0 ang sagot. Ayan. So, eto, malinaw na pwede na tayo makagamit ng extracting the square root. Kasi nga, present na yung dalawang perfect square. So, ang gagawin natin dyan, ililipat na natin ngayon si negative 9. And magiging siyang positive 9. So, x squared is equal to 0 plus 9, that is positive 9. Tapos, same process, kunin ang square root, then magiging x yan is equal to positive and negative 3, tas x of 1 is 3, x of 2 is negative 3. So, same lang din. So, kung saan kayo mas madadalian, yun ang gamitin ninyo. But I prefer this one. So, mas madali kasing makipag-deal doon sa numbers na mababa na. So, kapag dinivide natin agad ito, lalabas agad yung gantong form ng equation natin. So, but, sabi ko nga, kayo ang bahala kung gusto nyo ito, you may do that. Pero kung mas madali ito para sa inyo, you may do that as well. Kung ano ang preferred ninyo. Ayan. So, let's go to more complicated given. Paano kaya ito? X plus 10 squared minus 25 is equal to 0. So, kapag ganito ang nakita mong problem, huwag kang kabahan dito. I-take mo lang to as x squared. Take mo lang siya as x squared. Hindi mo wag mong pansinin masyado yung nasa loob. Same lang din naman yan ng x squared. Ganun mo lang siya iti-take. Tapos, ganun din yung process. Ilipat natin yung negative 25 sa kabila. magiging siyang positive. So, ganito yon 0 plus 25 or magiging 25 na lang. So, x plus 10 squared is equal to 25. Now, pwede mo nang, since naka-squared naman ito, tapos 25 is perfect square na, ang gagawin lang natin, kunin yung square root ng both side of the equation. Ayan. So, square root of x plus 10 squared is equal to square root of 25. So, dito, again, wag kabahan dito sa loob. Ito lang naman kasi ang i-operate natin, yung nasa exponent. Kasi i-divide lang natin ito sa 2. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. So, ibig sabihin, x plus 10 raised to 1 yan, o kaya, x plus 10 na lang. Ayan, kahit wala ng raised to 1. Is equal to, what about this one? Square root of 25. Alright, 5 yon. 5 times 5 is 25, and negative 5 times negative 5 is 25 as well. So, yan. So, ibig sabihin, ganito ang susunod na nakalagay. X plus 10 raised to 1, so hindi na siya ilalagay, is equal to, eto naman ay positive and negative 5. Now, hindi agad-agad natin makukuha yung x sub 1 dito kasi may katabi pa si x na 10. So, ang gagawin lang natin doon, ililipat natin si 10 dito. Pwede mong ilagay doon sa dulo or pwede mong ilagay dito sa unahan ni positive and negative 5. But I prefer sa unahan. So, ganito yan. X is equal to negative 10. Bakit ulit naging negative? Kasi nga, kapag nag-transpose tayo, mag-change dapat ng sign. Positive and negative 5. So, para ma-solve kung ano yung x sub 1 tas x sub 2, hihiwalayin lang ulit natin ito. Paano? Sa una, yung plus muna. So, this will become x minus 10 plus 5. Again, plus muna. Tapos, sa kabila naman yung minus dito sa baba. So, ganun ulit. X is equal to negative 10 minus 5. So, again, pinaghiwalay lang natin itong plus and minus para makuha sa x sub 1 sa kasi x sub 2. Now, let's solve for x sub 1. Negative 10 plus 5. Since opposite, ima-minus yan. 10 minus 5 is 5. Tapos, copy the sign of the larger number. Ayan. So, negative 5 ang x sub 1 natin. Ito naman. So, subtraction, negative 10 minus 5. Keep change. So, paano yun? Negative 10 minus 5, that will give us negative 15. Ayan. And this will be our x sub 2. O, take note din, kailangan master mo yung integers para mabilis kang makapag-solve ng mga ganito. Ayan. So, these are the roots of our given quadratic equation. X sub 1 is negative 5, x sub 2 is negative 15. Ayan. So, ayan. So, kung ready ka na for our YouMore drill, let's get to it. So, I'll give you 2 items to answer. I'll pause for a while, and I'll get back to you to give the answer. But if you still need time, feel free to pause the video. Your timer starts now. Alright, time's up. So let us now answer number 1. 5x squared minus 20 is equal to 0. Sa unang tingin, parang hindi makukuha yung square root ng mga yan. Kasi ang 5 hindi naman perfect square, so as 20. Pero kaya natin gawa ng paraan niya na makuha yung perfect square na hinahanap or hinihingi ng extracting the square root. And let's do that. So ang gagawin ko dito yung alternative solution natin kanina, yung i-divide natin agad kung divisible yung mga numbers or yung mga values sa GCF nila, of course. Ayan. So, 5 saka 20, divisible yan pareho sa 5, divide natin sa 5. Ayan. So, ang GCF nila ay 5, so divide natin yan sa 5. And this will become like this. So, 5 divided by 5 is 1, kaya 1x squared na lang. Minus 20 divided by 5 is negative 4 is equal to 0. 0 over 5 ay 0 na lang. Kaya ito na yan. O, diba? Kita mo na agad na, ay, oo nga pala. Ayan, nakita na agad natin na ito ay pwede ng extracting square roots kasi yung given ay perfect squares na. Next, ilipat natin si 4. Sa negative 4, magiging siyang positive 4. And that will become x squared is equal to 4. Tapos, para makuha yung values of x of 1 and x of 2, square root lang natin. So, ito ay magiging x na lang. Tapos, yung square root of 4 ay positive and negative 2. Kasi ang 2 times 2 ay 4, negative 2 times negative 2 ay 4 din. So, for x of 1 is positive 2, x of 2 is negative 2. And that is now the final answer. Let's answer number 2. X minus 7 squared minus 16 is equal to 0. Again, wag mo muna itong pansinin yung nasa loob. Take mo lang yan as x squared. Parang x squared mo lang siya i-take. Now, ang unang gagawin, ilipat si negative 16 sa kabila. That will give us 0 plus 16. And kapag pinag-plus to, magiging siyang positive 16. Yung kabila, walang nababago. Then, after that, since naka-squared na to, tapos perfect square naman to, square root na natin. Pareho. So, ito ay divide by 2, magiging x minus 7 raised to 1, o kaya x minus 7 na lang. Tapos, yung square root of 16 ay positive and negative 4. Diba? 4 times 4 is 16. Negative 4 times negative 4 is 16 as well. Ayan. Tapos, hindi mo agad-agad makukuha si x of 1 tas x of 2. Of course, kasi may number pa nakatabi, or may number pa sa gilid ni x. Ang gagawin natin, ililipat natin si negative 7. And magiging siyang positive 7. And I prefer, dito natin siya ilagay sa unahan. Ayan. So, 7 plus and minus 4. O, tapos, para makuha sa x of 1, ipag-plus yung 7 plus 4. Tapos, para makuha sa x of 2, ipag-minus naman. 7 minus 4. Hiwalayin lang natin itong dalawang operation. Ayan. So, x sub 1, ganyan. Tapos, x sub 2 ay ganito. So, for x sub 1, 7 plus 4 is 11, and that is x sub 1. X sub 2 naman, x is equal to 3, kasi ang 7 minus 4 is 3. That is x sub 2. Ayan. So, that is now the final answer. These are the roots of the given equations that we have. Ayan. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope natuto ka ngayong araw. And I want to see you in our next video. Bye-bye! Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed and learned something today. And if you did learn, please do share this to your friends who needs this lesson the most. And don't forget also to subscribe and click the notification bell para updated ka rin sa mga latest videos natin i-upload dito sa YouMore PH. Don't forget that you deserve more. You can learn more. And you can be more. #YouMorePH. Bye-bye! See you in our next video.